Good morning, dear children. Today we will start a new topic, that is depletion of water table. Depletion means just reduction of depletion means reduction, and water table means a place where water is stored in the ground. Ground में जो water stored है, that is the place is known as water table. And why depletion means reduction is a water table? Because of we are using lot of water from the ground, but in the rainy season, if as much as water is not seepage in the ground, then depletion of water table will take place. Means in simple way beta, we are using groundwater by using tube wells, hand pump and well, and हम उस वाटर को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, बट वहाँ पे वाटर भी एक लिमिटेड है. मीन्स अगेन अगर हम उसको यूज कर रहे हैं, देन रिप्लेनिश ऑफ वाटर विल टेक प्लेस देयर. रिप्लेनिश मीन्स अगेन दैट वाटर टेबल शुड बी रिचार्ज बेटा. मतलब अगर आपने पानी कहीं किसी जगह से निकाला है और दोबारा वहां पे आप पानी नहीं डालोगे तो क्या होगा, स्लोली दैट वाटर विल बी कंज्यूम्ड, वो वाटर खत्म हो जाएगा बेटा. Similarly, in the case of depletion of water table is a place where water is stored in the ground, and depletion is reduction. We are continuously using that water, but in the rainy season, if water is not recharged or not seepage in the ground, अगर बारिश का पानी ग्राउंड के अंदर नहीं जाएगा तो वहां पे वाटर की क्या हो जाएगी, दैट इज द डिप्लेशन, वहां पे कमी हो जाएगी वाटर की बेटा. सो वी विल सी इन दिस टॉपिक व्हाट आर द बेसिक रीजन व्हाई डिप्लेशन ऑफ वाटर टेबल टेक प्लेस. इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से दैट हम उसको लगातार यूज कर रहे हैं और बट वाटर वहां पे एक्स्ट्रा क्यों नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है बेटा, ये रीजन हम इसमें फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देयर आर सेवरल रीजन. फर्स्ट, स्कैंटी रेनफॉल. Scanty rainfall means improper rainfall. Generally you know that India is very vast country and rainy season only for 3 to 4 months beta. Rainy season in India only for 3 to 4 months, around June to September only. But what about rest of 8 years, 8 months, rest of 8 months we will use that water from the ground and it will recharge or restore only 3 to 4 months. It's mean that there will be a less water is seepage in the ground but more water is uses by the human beings. तो क्या होगा, ज्यादा वाटर यूज कर रहे हैं और कम वाटर सीपेज हो रहा है तो क्या होगा, देयर विल बी अ डिप्लेशन ऑफ वाटर टेबल. You are using for 12 months and seepage of water will take place only for 3 to 4 months. But that is not a more problem. Problem is here, and in some places of India there is a flood like situation and some places there is a drought like situation. That uneven situation causes the depletion of water table. कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी जो है, कहीं पे बहुत कम पानी हो रहा है, तो ये भी एक रीज़न है बेटा. So distribution of rainfall is unequal beta, and that causes the flood and drought situation every year some part of the countries. And if we will talk about second reason beta, that is the increasing population. One of the most important reason. Increasing population is one of the most important reason, one of the major reason for the depletion of water table. Means suppose that beta you have one bucket of water and 3 people are using. Suddenly you have to know that now 5 people will use. What will happen? There will be a shortage of water. So similarly, continuously population are increases, and due to the increase in population there are demands of construction of house, shop, office, road and consumption as well. So इससे क्या होगा बेटा, huge amount of water will be used from the underground water. Okay, वो water use होगा. Then again there will be a depletion of water table because now we are using so much water from the ground, but seepage of water, or we can say that recharge of water is not take place in a equal amount. So that is the problem in increasing population. So if population will increase beta, simple we can say that if population will increase, then demand of water will also increase because people will grow, then they will use for construction, houses, hospitals, factories, so they will use underground water. And similarly, increasing industries. Increasing industries is also a major problem for depletion of water table, because almost all industries need water beta, and groundwater is the mainly used by them, and main water that is mainly they used groundwater, and most of industries depends on water. But with the continuous increase in the number of industries, there is a depletion of groundwater, because continuously you know that जितनी भी फैक्ट्रीज एंड इंडस्ट्रीज है बेटा, उसके नंबर्स क्या होगा, बढ़ेंगे घटेंगे नहीं. सो नंबर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज विल इंक्रीज, देन डिमांड ऑफ वाटर विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज, and water is mainly used from the groundwater, and that is the reason depletion will take place. And if we'll talk about next reason, there are several reasons of depletion of water table, that is agricultural activity. Agricultural activities also a major reason beta. Generally we know that in India rains are the major source of irrigation. Irrigation means just watering the plants. खेत में जो पानी देते हैं that is known as beta irrigation. So in India rains are the major source of irrigation, but few places have irrigation system like canals. तो वहां पे क्या होता है बेटा, वो लोग कैनल से यूज कर लेते हैं, बट अदर पार्ट्स में क्या होता है, दे डिपेंड्स फॉर रेनफॉल, एंड इफ देयर इज ए इरेगुलर रेनफॉल देन व्हाट विल हैपन, दे विल यूज अंडरग्राउंड वाटर बाय यूजिंग ट्यूबवेल. ट्यूबवेल के थ्रू क्या होगा, उस वाटर को यूज करेंगे फॉर इरिगेशन. एंड अगेन demand of increasing population, then agricultural activity will increase, and due to the irrigation we know that crop required water, they will use groundwater, and it leads to the decline in the level of water, that is depletion of water table. Again I'm repeating again beta, agricultural, India depends on agriculture beta, and due to increase in population there will be increased demand of crop production, and in crop production water is very important for irrigation, and most part of the India depends on rainfall, and if there is a irregular rainfall, means scanty rainfall or not proper rainfall, then groundwater will be used for irrigation, and then what will happen, it leads to the decline in the level of water table. There will be a reduction of water table. Let's see one more reason, that is deforestation. Deforestation means what beta, cutting or clearing of forest. So forests are being cleared to build houses. Generally बेटा पहले बहुत सारे फॉरेस्ट थे, बट ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन देयर आर डिमांड्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग हाउसेज, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, ऑफिसेज एक्सेट्रा. सो इससे क्या हो रहा है बेटा, ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट का डिफॉरेस्टेशन, देयर इज अ क्लियरिंग ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इज नोन एज डिफॉरेस्टेशन. देन व्हाट विल हैपन, प्लांट्स जनरली plants are very important role in the water cycle, we know that. So agar if plant will not be there, then water cycle will be affected, then evaporation of water, then condensation, and after that precipitation. We have studied that condensation, evaporation and precipitation beta. So water cycle will be disturbed without plants. So if plant will not be there, then water cycle will be disturbed, and if water cycle is disturbed, it's mean that there will be a irregular rainfall, and again if there is a irregular rainfall, then amount of seepage of water will be reduced. So again recharge of water table will not be take place, then depletion of water table again. So groundwater will not be replenished proper because of cutting down of trees. So cutting down of trees and destruction of vegetation reduces the natural process of groundwater replenishment beta. Means we can say that forests are very important, or we can say that plants are very important in water cycle, means conversion of water into vapor, then again back to the ground in the form of rain by the process of precipitation. So that water cycle will be affected without plants and vegetations. Okay, so seepage of water will not take place properly, then again depletion of water table will take place. So these are the reason for depletion of water table, and in next video we will discuss about how can we do water management.